Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to withdraw Sunwaves token. So you can increase your Sunwaves token right here by actually leveling up. So the only way you can actually withdraw Sunwaves is actually leveling up to a certain level, and you can get to withdraw your Sunwaves. So I've found that it makes it hard to withdraw your Sunwaves, and that's why I don't do airdrops that much. So as you can see right here, you can do a leveling right here. So it tells you to buy certain things and do certain things so that you'll be able to level up. And that's the only time you can get sun waves. So right here, is it really worth it for the sun waves? So I'm gonna check my actual, so let's go to coin market cap and look for sun waves right there and see if it's really worth it at the first place. So sun waves, I think. So here Sunwaves is not yet even listed anywhere. Exchanges, no. I think it's only listed as an ICE asset, but it's not yet listed. So it might take more than months and years for this to develop. So we cannot withdraw it yet, and it's not even yet listed, so I cannot find it. So basically all you have to do is keep playing until you level up, and then right beside here in your current balance, that's where you'll be able to actually have a withdraw button once you get to a certain level, and then you'll be able to withdraw. Enter your address and then withdraw, accepting the fees and many much more. And there you go.